to show you. I actually want to jump in, but I know I die.
Look at the beautiful.
That's Lake Ontario. Kind of the local area of Niagara, St. Clair Avenue. There we go. How's it going? Old Town Niagara Falls. Not the old town, but this is the more local area. This is St. Clair Avenue. We're trying to navigate and find our car rental place because we rented a car. Well, actually, I have a cold. I've been kind of sick these days, and so that's why my voice is kind of weird. Someone left their truck ready. It's been there for a while. This is like kind of really old style. I don't know, it has a 1950s, 60s feel, this town. This is a beautiful church here.
Cosa facciamo?
This is an Oreo milkshake at Applebee's. Enrico's talking to his dad on the phone. This is the orchard salad and the bacon cheeseburger. Enrico got a steak. This is the 7 ooze steak, 7 ounce. I call it ooze. Why? I don't know, because it's spelled like that. The 7 ounce steak, mashed potatoes and vegetables. I think that's good. Let's zoom a bit. That's Niagara Falls. That's the little one right there. And then there's the big one down there.
I go back, right?
God, it's beautiful. Well, we should find a parking place. We gotta find parking. Hey, we're in a Kia that we rented from Budget Car Rentals. It's with Avis. It's a different station. Anyway, this is Niagara Falls. We're here in Niagara Falls. But so we ate at Applebee's, and it's quite
You didn't like that, tell me the truth.
I liked it.
Oh, with that face.
I liked it. It wasn't bad, but
She
it was a
throwing
lot.
away bacon, you know.
Because everything had bacon in it. I'm not a bacon lover actually, but everything had, even the salad had bacon in it. Every burger on the menu has bacon on it, but then I took out the bacon after by myself.
You can see what a touristy place. Well, it's a touristy place. It's like a little mini Vegas here. They do have a casino too. This is Lignano, extra, extra. Extra, super extra. It's good for kids though. Kids love it when it's colorful like this.
That is the Canadian Niagara Power. That a lot of Toronto and Canada, well, Ontario is powered by hydropower. There we go. It's a beautiful rainbow right there. Connecting the falls.
Can you see my water coming up?
There's that bridge, which is the border. Be lost in the darkness forever. Let's play Wizard's Golf. Enrico's looking for souvenirs for his father. They have those hats, they have shoes, It's kind of cute. His father would like that stuff. Dinosaur adventure mini golfy thing and a wheel for the kids. There's an arcade here too, with like rides and stuff inside as well. This is a wax museum. Okay, we made it. Ciao, Enrico.
Ciao.
Ciao. So all of those are Americans. That's the American side. And then we're on the Canadian side. It's a very hot and nice day right now. That is beautiful. I'm not done showing you the falls. Now we're in the middle. So I'm gonna keep showing you the falls, but now we're in the middle. The middle means between the two. Okay. This is the big one, the most beautiful one and famous one. It's very clean water. That dirt is from, you know, the river, the actual dirt, the sediment at the bottom, and it kind of mixes with the bubbles, and the bubbles holds it. So actually the water is very clean. And can you see the rainbow? Look, there's two rainbows. One and two. Really fantastic to show you. I actually want to jump in, but I know I died. Just sitting here. Niagara Falls is over there, eh? And I'm sitting here on the grass and watching what the squirrels are doing. What you doing? What happened? Oh no. Go for it. You can do it. You'll make it. Hi.
How? Yeah, but you don't have nothing to eat.
Does he think we're gonna give him food? Aww. And he was trying to go to the next tree. Like there's one near that guy. He found something to eat. We're driving along the river here. We're going to some special souvenir and chocolate shops. And there are these beautiful houses, just beautiful neighborhoods. Oh, and you can hear the radio. You can turn off the radio. There we are. Also, chocolates of the world.